I have milled this part to size. This is this part that's gonna hold the two of these parts together to build a camera pod. What I would like to do now is to mill down on both sides here, so there's gonna be an edge that slides into this and keep this from tilting that way. Again, I'm not an expert, there's probably different ways to doing this. What I have done is finding this edge. I have an edge finder, but what I learned in school a long time ago is to go with the mill into it and rotating it and just find exactly when it starts to grab and zero it out. I do the same thing to zero the height out. Just see when it's grabbing. About there. And zero on that one. This part should lift up from the top like this and go down. That part that is going up should be 8 millimeters wide, and the depth of it should be 2 millimeters. Forgot to put the dimension on my drawing, but 8 minus 30 is 22 divided by 2, so 11 millimeters in. This is rather stupid to do this without have it on the drawing, because it's so easy to make a mistake, but let's see. There we have 11. I lock it in place, and let's go down 0.7 millimeters. So taking it in a couple of goes here. So let's see. So what I normally do, as you saw, is that I lock the part of a table that I do not use, X or Y or Z, at least for a final cut, because this is a small machine and it helps keep down the vibration to just tighten up the machine a little bit. And you get that little bit extra nice surface. So let's see if I can get the camera. Here you can see the groove that I have cut away, and I'm gonna just do the same thing on this side, and hopefully it will fit. Worth mentioning a little bit about Chinese scales. I equipped this mill with a DRO, it must be 15 years ago or something like that. At that point, the glass scales, and if you buy a DRO, it was way beyond my budget, way beyond my budget. So I went for a DRO that somebody on the net made, and you could buy it as a kit. So you solder it together. Let's see if we cut in. You can see it here. Sumatec. I have googled them recently, but the guy that made it doesn't seem to make it anymore. It's running on a PIC processor. It's a little bit 15-20 years ago design, so it's a little bit slow. You can do most of the thing, and it can definitely do more things than I'm capable of doing on my mill. One drawback is, I guess it's the scales. There is voltage coming out of a DRO for the scales, because there's a small connector on all Chinese scales so that you can get the reading out and you can feed it with power. And it works, yeah, sometimes good, sometimes not that good. Since I'm not doing a lot of work, I run out of battery, of course. It's a standard silver ion battery. And yesterday I noticed that sometimes the Y scale didn't seem to, it lost, it didn't step, and I got a wrong reading, 10 millimeters, but still. And now today then I did some milling on this groove, and I noticed it again and start to check it out, and that scale didn't send out the reading enough. And I checked, it should work without any battery, but what I've noticed over the years, sometimes I need a battery in and sometimes I do not. This scale, running out without battery, and it works fine. That scale needs to have a battery in it. So I open it up, replace the battery, and then I guess because it has one voltage regulator inside, that scale didn't want to play anymore. It worked fine yesterday and before I changed the battery on this one, so I need to put also a new battery in that one. So now a Z scale and a Y scale works, and X running out without any battery at all seems to work. So best of luck then that I can do this work without any strange error in my reading. So let's continue. Well, again, as a bad result of Y scale didn't get the correct reading, 10th millimeters, but yeah, it turned out to be a rather big play. So I haven't decided what to do yet. If I'm gonna just flatten this and make it a little bit thinner and make it more precise. I don't want to make it total new part, I'm too lazy for that. But I think I'm gonna end up taking off 2 millimeters on this one and redo it with the correct measurement, so I could live without the play in here. So I took off 2 millimeters in height, so this got a little bit thinner, but now at least is a really tight fit, and that's what I want. Those two parts are done, apart from the drilling that I should do now, or at least I mark them out in the mill and drill them in the drill press. It just takes too long time to rise the head up and down. It's just, I put a small drill bit in, mark where I should drill, and drill it in the drill press. In the end, it's going to look like this. One part that is you tighten by hand, and the other one is a fixed bolt, so you only need to tighten down one of them. So we have that ugly part to go, but I still do not know exactly how to make it correct. In the end it's going to look like this, and then we have that one with the camera mounting part in that hole, and this one should be able to slide up and down. So let's continue then. So now I have drilled 2 holes, and in this part that should slide up and down, and that one will sit on here, and then mounting the camera in that hole. So I only need to tap them with a M4. Unfortunately my mill, you have seen it, is not that big, so I just need to be very careful and try to tap as straight as I can. It's not the perfect way, but yeah, if you don't have the correct tool, then you have to do it another way. And you're going down about maybe a turn and going back half a turn to clear out the chip. Otherwise you would definitely, aluminium maybe not, but it's so easy to break the tap, and it's making the part all over again because you forget it to take it out. It's so hard that there's no chance that you can get the tap out. One hole down, one to go.